Guys, today I'm gonna do the pizza challenge.
What
So-
flavor is this?
So,
Manual.
that's just cheating on the challenge, you know. So let's try to guess what the flavors are. These. Let's start with this one. I'll put my blindfold
Fold it. It will tag up. Fold it. No, see?
on. Oh, just
Kuya, pero ako na
Mm.
pista eh. Sige rin, anak taga
I
pista.
don't like it. Pineapple with that green thing with ham. Okay, so is that the correct answer?
Yes.
Hawaiian pizza. Hawaiian pizza.
The correct, I got that wrong. The answer is Hawaiian pizza.
But you guessed the ingredients. Okay.
But that half a point. And let's see this one cannot be good. Let's put my blindfold. Mushroom. Is that the correct answer?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. This doesn't taste like a cheeseburger.
Oh, sorry. Bacon. Bacon pizza.
Bacon pizza. Okay, I love the bacon. Now the last flavor. Okay, let's see. Mmm. Yum.
Artista eh.
Pepperoni pizza. Is that the correct answer?
Of course.
I got 2.5. I got 2.5 out of 3. So, bye. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe and bye.